Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to turn this hair tie into this pretty velvet scrunchie. I'll be using one of my favorite brands of yarn, Bernat Velvet. The color is Terracotta Rose. To start out, you're going to tie your yarn to the hair tie. And then I double knot it. The tail of the yarn you're going to want on your left side because we're going to crochet over it. To start, you're going to put your hook in the circle here. Come up behind and grab some yarn and pull up a loop. And then you're going to chain 2. And now you'll just double crochet around. You want to be sure to hold your hair tie and your tail together. And you'll grab some yarn, go into the hair tie there, go under it and under the tail of the yarn, and then grab some yarn and come back around and double crochet. I'll do that again. Be sure to hold your tail of your yarn and your hair tie together. Go in there, grab some yarn and come around and double crochet. We're going to keep doing that until we run out of this yarn tail here. See how I'm holding the back of the hair tie with my middle finger? And then I'll take my thumb and I just kind of press that together over the yarn and the hair tie. And then I grab yarn. And see, I don't let up. I'm continuing to hold that. And then double crochet. And that holds everything in place. Alright, now I'm going to cut that little piece off there. Now later on when we get this full of double crochets, we're going to stretch it a couple times so that yarn tail may show back up. And then we'll just continue cutting it until you can't see it anymore. We're going to continue doing double crochets around. And you're going to continue to do this until it looks like you're out of room, and then I will show you what to do from there. Now you can see that we just have a little bit of room left here. So do another double crochet. And then give your hair tie a stretch or 2. And then you should be able to push some of these back. And that gave us some more room. So keep double crocheting. And it really depends on you how full you want this. The fuller that you get it, the more it kind of turns like that. See how it looks all bunched up? So it really just depends on what look you're going for. If you want it all bunched up like that, or if you want it something like that. But just pull it a few times so that way you don't have any of the black showing over here or anything. So keep double crocheting. I like mine really scrunched up. So then when you get it as full as you want it, you're going to slip stitch to the top of that double crochet, the first double crochet you did. that has the V. That's your double crochet. So insert your hook, grab some yarn and slip through that, and then slip into your loop there. And then grab the yarn again, pull a little bit of a tail through, and then cut your yarn. And then get your needle and work your end in there. And then you're going to weave this tail in and out of the top of those double crochets. And just keep doing that several times. And you'll kind of run out of room on your needle. And then pull it through. And then do another round of weaving. Just in and out. And pull it again. And then gently tug it. And then cut that yarn. And then tug it a few times because that yarn may pop back out. And there's your simple double crochet hair tie.